Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach how to embed something from another website into Wix if there isn't an app already available. For example, Wix, as you know, probably has a lot of apps that you'll already want to use. For example, if you want to add a YouTube video, well, there's already an app there for you to do that. So there's a lot of apps that are already there in Wix, but what if you want to embed something that doesn't have an app? For example, Quizlet. Say you're teaching phonics to young kids and you want their parents to practice the Fry's 100 sight words at home as a flashcard. You say, this is really cool. Parents, please work on this at home. You want to somehow embed this into your website. Well, how do you do that? There's no app for Quizlet. So the way you do that is you go to your website. This is my practice website here. You go to Add, and you're going to go down to More. And look, there's something to embed a website. Drag this here, and it's basically just an empty box for you to put HTML code into your website. And there's nothing there right now, so we'll go over to Quizlet. Now what you're doing is you're looking for something that says either share or embed. And I know on Quizlet, I like to show the example of Quizlet because it's a little different than other websites. So let me show you on Quizlet how this works. You have to be logged in first of all, and then let me move this up. You go under these little dots here. It's hidden, but look, embed. Ah, there it is, embed. What do you want to embed? The game, the flashcard, the spelling. Let's embed the, spelling might be nice. Let's embed the flashcard though. Then you just copy that HTML, go back to your website, you want to drop in the code right there, update, and there is the Quizlet flashcard there in your website. So pretty cool. You can just drop anything in your website that has embed code. Let me show you a few other examples. Because once you figure this out, you start to find all sorts of great examples in on the web. So let's go, let's see some examples here. This is Glogster. Glogster is it's a website for creating posters for people. Let me see if I can find one here. One of their examples. Okay, so I had to go back to the main website and a web page and go to Glogpedia. Let's see. Oh, here's one on social studies. Let's check this out. Pretty fun. Okay, great. We want to embed this. Go under here. Oh, embed into your web page. There it is. Boom. Copy. Paste that into your HTML box in Wix, and that will work. Another example will be SlideShare. Let's say you're looking around and you want to find something on the water cycle. SlideShare is a place where people upload basically PowerPoint presentations, but some of them are really quite good. So you say, this is a great way for parents to practice the water cycle at home with their kids. So I'm looking for share or embed. Share. Oh, embed code. There it is. Copy, paste that into Wix. Here's another example. Goodreads. A lot of people like to use Goodreads to create, to share books and recommendations of books with each other. I like to use it also for school kids. So I have a bunch of things that are my personal lists, like, I have a bookshelf for stuff on Audible, but I've got books for boys. Boys sometimes they struggle to get interested in reading. I've got international books for people that want to learn about other cultures. I've got books for lower elementary, for middle school, for younger kids, picture books, for upper elementary. So these are all books that I've read and basically recommend to elementary students. So let's say I want to get this book list onto my website. So I go back here. Actually, you got to scroll down here and go to widgets. It's a little bit different in Goodreads, but you go to widgets. Oh, okay, let's confirm my password. All right, so I logged in, and here I am on the widgets page, and you go down here, there's this widget. Very nice. There's this one, either one. These are my most recent books, but you can change it to, let's say, upper elementary levels, right? Save the changes, you see it updates. These are books I recommend for upper elementary levels. There's the code. Copy that code, go back to Wix, paste it in your little box, And that's how you can embed a Goodreads into your website. So once you learn this trick, you'll find that whoops, wrong one. I must not have copied and pasted it correctly. But once you learn this trick, you can go and find anything on the internet and be able to put it into your Wix website, which is actually quite a nice trick because there is lots of fun stuff on the internet.